This is the elevator at the Cambria County Assistance Office in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. It's an Eastern with Adams driver. It has a Montgomery driver, so it might have Montgomery components too. Three might be locked. Yeah. Yeah, because two's reception. Third floor restricted. Yeah. It's weak, slow door. Two people out here. It's back down to one.
All right, you have a nice day, okay? Bye.
Hold on.
You just come from the third floor.
No.
Oh. I was saying, how'd you get there? So that's the third floor.
No, I was not up
Oh
there.
yeah, I was just making funny jokes. You know, for the sun to laugh. Break the ice a little bit. You have a great day.
You too. That's it. Sorry for the crappy video.